Hey everyone, so it's your boy Yashvia Gaming. Today I'm going to show you how you're going to get Claude Code for free. Okay, unlimited use of Claude Code. You need to go to this GitHub page. This is a quick start. Don't worry, I'm going to leave links down below in the video description and as well inside the comments. So as you can see right here, it says npm install Anthropic AI Claude Code. Okay, how do we get npm? So to get npm, you'll have to install Node.js. All right, and I prefer to use LTS version. All right, don't choose a current version, use LTS version and download for the x64 whatever. Click the MSI right here, install it, check the npm and click. You'll see a added checkbox, add to path. Make sure that you click that. Then what you want to do, if you are doing this in command prompt, all right, so all you want to do is to write this, just copy and paste. All right, then so the installation for runtime requirements, this one is to install the latest UV and Python 3.14. let's say you have another version of Python, don't worry, it's not gonna mess your another version, but instead it's gonna install another version. All right, so this one is for Mac OS and Linux, so we're gonna skip that and we're just gonna run this for Windows. So right here, so you're gonna copy this and you're gonna set it, you're gonna run it in PowerShell. Okay, just type in PowerShell right here, open and paste this. All right, so as you can see, everything is installed. Now you want to do UV self update. All right, success. I've already installed it, and then you're gonna reinstall your Python if not. Okay, mine is already installed, so I'm gonna clear. Now for step 3, you're gonna get your NVIDIA NIM API key. So just go to this page right here, go to this build.nvidia.com and click login. All right, so once you're in the website, as you can see, if you hover your mouse and click right here, you'll see your name and you'll see the API rate limit will be up to 40 RPM. All right, so up to 40 RPM, it's a bit faster. It's not really that fast, but for free users, it's a little. All right, so just click API keys right here. And if you don't have any API keys, just as you can see, click generate API key. After you've set this, now you're gonna install the proxy. Okay, so install the proxy. This uses like UV unicorn. Okay, you make close out of Windows PowerShell, just open any command prompt and paste this. All right, and just wait for it. Next, you wanna start the proxy. So once you start the proxy, you're gonna see this like that. Okay, so now this is gonna be the admin so right here, guys, where it says providers, in providers, so you're gonna NVIDIA NIM API key, so you're gonna copy and paste your key right here. You're gonna click validate and apply. Okay, and then you're gonna leave everything as default in the model routing. Okay, in the model routing. So this is what I did. Okay, I added, like, if you don't want to use that, if I just remove this and I just click this, as you can see, you can set any NVIDIA NIM whatever. As you can see, Quen 3, we have like GLM 5.1, we have Llama, we have DeepSeek, Code Flash. So I'm gonna set mine to DeepSeek version 4 Pro. Okay, and Opus override. All you add is to find the GLM 5.1 in the Sonnet. You can change that to whatever. So I'm using the Kimi. Okay, and this one, the Haiku override. Okay, so you can choose whatever you want. All right, so there you go. Now to run this thing, guys, all you want is to write, we already did FCC server. All right, so you just don't close this. This is a proxy thing. just open a new command prompt. I prefer to don't use a command prompt right here, because this is a location of your C drive, because otherwise it's gonna be more. This is your C drive, user, office. Okay, it's gonna index from all your files, and it's gonna be a lot of time. Okay, so create a new folder on your desktop or whatever, on your local disk, SSD, whatever. Right here, just right click, opening terminal or whatever, just write cmd, and then from here just write fcc Claude. Yeah, so first time if you open it, let's say if I create a new folder on my desktop, and then I'm gonna, the folder is, I'm gonna opening terminal right here, and then if I do fcc Claude here, it's gonna say to, yeah, I'm gonna get this like security guide, quick safety, do you trust this folder? So you're gonna hit yes, and then it's gonna open that. But since delete, okay, write in cmd fcc Claude, as you can see, because I've already trusted this thing, and as you can see, this using Anthropic NVIDIA NIM DeepSeek AI. All right, here you can choose, like, you can models, and you can browse, you can set, as you can see, default recommended, but if you would like to set another model, you can choose whatever you want, thinking or no thinking. So I set mine to DeepSeek version this Pro. So here, create Python calculator, simple tick into code, generate code output, generate like main.py here, and now let's see how many time does this gonna take on the web page right here. And remember, if you refresh the page, all of this it's gonna be gone. Okay, it's gonna just gone. All right, create a Python calculator, simple tick into code. Okay, code, and here's a code right here. So I'm gonna click like. So let me just test this. So basically what you do, I'm just gonna call this as main.py, and then instead of using Visual C++, I usually do this, save, and then what, right click this, open in cmd python main.py. Okay, here is 6 times 6 equal to 36. That's good. So that's the simple calculator. This one's still like a wiring, it's still thinking, even though I said generate codes quickly, but it could, as I said guys, this Claude Code, it could take about 5 to 6 minutes. But the alternative way, if you don't want to use this, okay, just simply use the build.nvidia.com. okay, then just click this and select any other AI models, any other LLMs like Mistral. So yeah, thanks so much for watching guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful.